Good day, my friends. It's Vicky, and well, you know that because you clicked on my channel. But if you're new here, I welcome you. My name is Vicky. I've been scrapbooking for a very long time, and I'm getting more and more addicted as the days go by. Um, so I thank you for coming back, and you might be wondering why I'm posting so many videos lately. I think it all has to do with the fact that for me and for many moms that I know, September is kind of like the new year. It's more the new year than January, it seems, because the kids are back to school if you've got kids. And I don't know, you sort of have a little bit more time, I guess, to do stuff. I don't know, but it is definitely a new year for me. And one of the things I wanted to be a little better at this year was posting videos and finishing my projects and sharing with you as I go. So that's why I'm here with so many more videos than usual. I hope that's okay with you guys. If you like them, don't forget to click like. And then I'll know to make more. And if not, I just won't if nobody's watching. But I wanted to bring you this quick one. First of all, I got new lighting and I had a bunch of, pardon me, I got a bunch of air miles that I completely forgot about, like air miles for, you know how they have the money, like the cash and the gifts or whatever they call it, the rewards. So I had split it up sort of half and half at one point, and I had a whole bunch of points sitting around waiting to be used. I ended up getting several awesome things. One of them I got to show you. One of them is this. So I ended up picking up one of these. Hold on, let me show you. I don't think it's exactly for doing videos, but heck, man, look at this light. This is so much better than what I used to have. So I'm using that light, and I mean, you can use any ring light or any light, period, for illuminating your lovely pages. But I just realized that my pages or my videos were very dark. So I got that going, and please let me know if it's actually helping. So with all that out of the way, I wanted to show you something quick because on Instagram, I hinted at working with this beautiful Simple Pages page kit from Simple Stories, and it is a school kit that I picked up recently, and it was just delivered actually the other day, and I did a haul video from Scrapbooking Oasis. So you will see here two absolutely beautiful double page spreads, and I want to show you what I have done. So here are the instructions, and let me show you something. So here are the instructions, and the page that I did that is almost an exact replica, which is usually what you're supposed to be doing when you've got these kits, is my son's back to school page from this year. So if you see that and you see the page, it is pretty darn close. Except I did not have, and I didn't want to fuss around with messing these and turning them and getting all artsy. I didn't have horizontal pictures. So this calls for two horizontals, two verticals, two horizontals. Verticals, no problem. But all I did was switch this frame. This is already created, and it's a frame, just a paper frame. I switched it to horizontal so I could use my photos instead of vertical. But other than that, like the top part here is the same, and pretty much, well, I put my little journal spot on a bit of an angle, which I never do, and they have it straight, but really it's using all the elements that were called for. I added these Simple Stories foam stickers. I don't think I put that on straight. Anyway, I added that just to indicate it's grade 10. And I didn't use the word class act because I didn't see where that would fit very nicely on this page. So there's that. I just wanted to show you that. So yeah, good girl. I followed directions. And then, is there anything else I need to show? No, that's that. But then when it came to my daughter's page, so that's Anthony's, this is Juliana's, I ended up veering completely off, I think. I mean, this bottom thing, that is already created. So the page comes like that and with this yellow here, and then you adhere, and the green, and then you adhere all this stuff. I adhered it in a different order, not to be a rebel or anything silly like that, but it just looked better to me for some reason to have the orange, then the corkboard, then the ruler, instead of that. And that's no big deal. Who cares? Pictures, I put them on, I met it on white, so I put them there. I did not do these small squares. I did not do circle photos. Only because I didn't have that many photos. I didn't use that banner. I didn't use the back to school because I lost the word back. I don't know where the heck that ended up. And I used the scissors, but somewhere else. I used that where's lunch, or when's lunch, I should say, but a little differently. So, oh, and I used the class act here because I wanted to pick up some of that navy that I used up here in the school word, and that's on that paper. So, and then I used this journal spot, which on their page was on the right-hand side, but I used that here. I put a 12 down to indicate grade 12, and I sort of kind of did the same cluster, but in a different spot. So, see, you don't have to use everything the way they outline it. I would have liked to, but it just didn't work out that way. You like my pajama pants, by the way, guys? So anyway, that is what I wanted to show you, that you can still be creative. You can still do your own thing. You can change it up as you see fit. But these kits are fantastic because they include so much. I even have all this left over. Let me show you. I have all this left over that I can use for other layouts. Like, look at that. Sweet little word learn and hearts. These are all little die cuts. So you get all the die cuts you need, and you also get, let me just move this, you get a sheet of these heavier, they're not chipboard, they're just heavier cardstock, so it gives you a little more dimension. Like, for example, those scissors are the heavier cardstock. Really nice icons. I love everything about this. So I would like to buy more of these. I think I'm going to definitely do that. It's so much fun, and it's just a quick way. I mean, I got these done very, very quickly. So it's a very quick way to scrapbook. And then you always can scrap lift yourself again. You don't have to have a collection, but now you have a new layout style that you can scrap lift over and over, right? That's what one of the bonuses is of this. Oh, I wanted to show you this too quickly. Here I did Juliana's journaling. I didn't have enough and I didn't feel like doing another spot, so I just put in a little tag. I use my tag maker all the time. All the time. Let me show you. It is this die that comes in a set of several different sizes. I love it. So this is the biggest one. I use it all the time. So if you don't have one of those, grab one. They're so very useful. And again, I get my dies mainly from my friend Cathy. If you want her info, I will put it down below for you. Okay, so that's that. I just put a little bit of hemp twine. I did her extra journaling here, and I just tucked it in like that. And I like that it peeks out a little bit here. That's cute. That's it, guys. Quick video just to show you that I finished 2 more layouts, and I'm busily working along to get my huge, overwhelming backlog completed. I hope you have a great day, guys, and I thank you for stopping by. Ciao for now.